Hello guys, welcome back. I was thinking about it and I some kind of guess that the problem is about we are using a function. Because of that, I prefer to not use a function now and use the raw code here. Let's see how we can do it. Okay, it create a list one and we delete the return and put the list one back here, and we just here write add res and run it. What is the problem? For I in A, what is A? What does A say? What is even A here? How does it working? What does A say? What the hell? What is happening? I don't remember we have A for R in range. Oh, we forget something very important, very important. That is the problem. We forget this line, and then if we run it, and if we let me Control Z it to the past. Also we have the problem now, but I think we might have exit something. Let's see if the problem is from memory. Okay, it's absolutely from memory. Let's free up some memory. Let me just delete this and that. Okay, let's see how our memory is better now. Okay, what is the problem? Let's run it again. Now where it's traceback must call recent. Okay, we have the problem that we should fix here. Let me run this and give the 25 to it here and see what happened. Let me just give the 25 here. Okay, it has the problem with 25, but why the 25 has any problem? I can't understand. Let's rename it and put that here. Let's put someone there. Something else. Okay, it has the problem with all of the files. Let's run the code from the first. We have the file name and creating our def. Okay, we have the error. Okay, I think this def it have something that's wrong. Let's check. Data plus address. Oh, sorry, we forget to put .csv. Now it's right. But how about the 25? Let's put 25 here. Let's put another one. Let's see if we cut the 25, the code is running perfect or not. It has... Oh, sorry, we should run everything from the top. Oh, we should get it. Okay, we don't have 25 there. We don't need this. Let's go and see what happened here. Okay, the data is work perfectly, but we have another problem. It's 99. Let me put back the 99 too. 99. Let's run everything again. I must 122. Okay, everything is right. Perfectly length data list. Okay, let's say for x in ss data list dot append x. Okay, this code ended. The length of data list is true. We created the data list that we wanted. Now in the next lesson we were going to put it in our CSV file. Until then, have a good day.